Netherlands buys 4 Reaper drones for $600 million. The Netherlands has signed a contract to purchase 4 MQ-9A Reaper Block 5 armed drones from the United States. The drones will cost $150 million each. In June this year, the Netherlands received the necessary foreign military sales license to procure 4 MQ-9A Reaper Block 5 drones from the United States. Following the approval, the Netherlands last week signed a contract with General Atomics for the delivery of MQ-9A Reapers. As part of the $611 million sale, the Netherlands will pay approximately $150 million for each MQ-9A Reaper and associated equipment. The equipment to be delivered to the Netherlands includes 3 MQ-9 mobile ground control stations, 30 anti-jam GPS, 20 Lynx ANA PY-8, SAR radars, Hellfire missile launchers, and 8 AN-4 multispectral targeting systems. On the other hand, the Netherlands procured 4 MQ-9 Reapers for $339 million in 2018. The new procurements will increase the Dutch Reaper fleet to 8 aircraft. The delivery of the 4 ordered MQ-9A Reaper Block 5 is expected to be completed by 2026. Features of the MQ-9A Block 5 Reaper drone. The MQ-9 Reaper unmanned aerial vehicle was developed by the U.S. company General Atomics. The system can operate at a maximum altitude of 50,000 feet and stay aloft for 27 hours. The UAV, which has 7 payload stations, has a total payload capacity of 1,750 kilograms, of which 1,300 kilograms are external. It can be controlled via Ku-band or SATCOM data link. The MQ-9 Reaper can be armed with Hellfire and Mk-81 ammunition with integrated laser guidance kit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Defense Lab's YouTube channel for aviation and defense industry news and updates.